Today I'm going to walk you through the full process of cutting and applying heat transfer vinyl to a shirt using your Cricut and the Cricut EasyPress. We're going to start off in Design Space where we will make a new project. Select Upload and then Upload Image, Browse, and select the image file. Next, I will click Simple since it's a single color image and everything looks good, so I'll continue. Select Save as a cut image and press Save. Finally, we'll click our uploaded design and click Insert Images. I'm going to go ahead and resize my design to 6 inches, and now it's time to load the mat. For this project, I'm using Caesar EasyWeed heat transfer vinyl. With any heat transfer vinyl, there is a shiny protective plastic on one side called the carrier sheet, which will face down on your cutting mat. I'm now going to turn on my Cricut and set the dial to iron on and load in my mat. Back in Design Space, I'm going to press the Make It button and make sure everything looks good. When working with heat transfer vinyl, make sure you select the Mirror button to flip your design while cutting. Lastly, if your Cricut model supports it, you can press the Fast Mode button and cut your design. I'm going to release my mat and weed the design. Heat transfer vinyl is super easy to weed since there's no adhesive to worry about. I leave the design on the mat and get one corner started with a weeding tool and slowly peel up around my design. Be careful around the smaller areas as it's easy to get carried away and weed the wrong spot. When you're finished weeding, you can peel the design up, and here is the finished heat transfer vinyl. Alright, now we're going to preheat our heat press. I'm using the Cricut EasyPress 2 9x9. I'm going to link a useful heat press guide in the description, which gives a good idea of temperatures and times for different Cricut vinyl types and materials below. For Caesar EasyWeed, I go a little hotter than Cricut's suggestion at 335 degrees and a 30-second timer for a 100% cotton t-shirt. These settings have worked best in my experience. Press the temperature or timer button once to change the value and adjust using the plus or minus buttons. Then press the temperature or timer button again to lock it in. Once the EasyPress is preheated, it'll make a noise and the Cricut button on the right will turn green. This is also the button you'll use to start and stop the timer. I'm going to use the Cricut EasyPress mat for my backing, but a folded towel will work fine if you don't have one. To find the center of my shirt I'm using, I fold it in half and press it for a few seconds to make a crease. Now to center my design, I fold it in half with the adhesive backing facing out and make a small crease in the center. Don't worry about creasing the vinyl because it will press out. Before I apply the design, I preheat the shirt for 5 seconds based off of Cricut's heat guide. Using the crease I made in the shirt and design, I line everything up. If you need to make adjustments, it's okay to peel up the design and place it down again. Now, I take my EasyPress, press the timer button, and apply firm pressure for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I flip my shirt over and give it one more 15-second press on the back. Since Caesar EasyWeed is a hot peel, I can peel the plastic carrier sheet off right away. Check the requirements of your particular vinyl as some need to cool down before peeling. As you can see, the vinyl attached perfectly. To make sure that the heat transfer worked, you can look closely at the vinyl and you should be able to see the texture of the fabric on your design. One last tip is to wait 24 hours before washing or wearing the shirt. That's going to do it for this video. I hope I helped you guys out, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be putting more Cricut and laser cutting content out soon, so subscribe if you're interested in that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.